Hello cat, welcome back. Write and learn ABCD alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Alphabet. A for apple. B for ball. Ball. C for cat. Cat. D for doll. Doll. E for elephant. Elephant. F for fish. Fish. G for goat. Goat. H for horse. Horse. I for ice cream. J for goose. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for ostrich. P for parrot. Q for coin. R for rabbit. S for sun. S for snake. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for violet. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Okay, kid, bye.